Hey guys, happy Memorial Day or pre-Memorial Day because it's actually Sunday. But anyway, these are Memorial Day snacks that you can do. Yeah, so we're gonna get into that. Our first one is gonna be, I don't know what you call them, strawberries with cream cheese and yeah. So
red, white, and blue, of course.
Red, white, and blue. So this is cheesecake mixture that I mixed up. It's just a really simple recipe, but I can put the recipe for it, or you can just buy some no-bake cheesecake mix or whatever and stir it up that way. But I made my own. I'll put a description. And yeah, this is ghetto. I don't have a piping bag, so this is what we're doing. So we're just gonna do that and put a blueberry on top. Bam.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
And so yeah, you're just going to continue this. And you can make a design with it if you want, but you know me, I ain't about to do all that. So, and you can actually have the kids do this if you have kids. Y'all know I ain't got no kids, but I ain't got time. But anyway, so yeah, that's it for this one, and we're gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna finish these, and we'll go, and I'll show you the next one. Okay, darling. Okay, guys. So this one is a dip, and of course, if you're having a big party, you can make more than what I'm making. But this is just to show you. So we're making a
waffle fries.
That's waffle fries, and we're making a loaded dip. So like kind of like you have a loaded potato, only this is potato, and then we got the dip over here. But anyway, so I got 1 cup of sour cream. I got a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar. You can get the fine cheddar if you want. I just like the thick cheddar, so. And then I have some bacon here. And you can put as much or as least as you want. And then I have some green onion. And we're just gonna give that a stir. And then also, just for a little bite, you guys, I don't even like hot sauce, but
blast.
My friends call me, you guys. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce. And a little salt. We want to keep this more healthy. You know, as I've said before, I know I'm a healthy beauty channel, but sometimes we kind of get off the health a little bit.
It's good for mental health.
Yeah. But this is Memorial Day. Who cares? So.
Yeah, you stir.
So you just take this, dip a waffle fry in it, and yeah, that's great for the guests. And we're gonna go over to the last one. Okay, last but not least, we are going to do like a summer salad. So it's like a spinach summer salad, you know.
I love spinach.
We love spinach. So we're making it big because this is for everybody at your cookout.
What makes it summer?
Summery, you know, summer. You shut up.
Okay.
Don't tell me what. Tell me what makes it summer. Okay. You're asking me a question. It's a summer salad. Okay, so I don't like that one. You get out of there. Okay, that seems about right. That seems good. So what we have here is some nectarines. You can use peaches if you want. I decided to use nectarines.
If you think this is weird, just try it.
Yeah, so this may be a little weird actually. Have some strawberries. And some more nectarines. You know, this back up. Out of there. And this part people might really think is weird is red onion, but I heard this is like really good together. So I only got a little bit of red onion. I just didn't want to put too much. And we have some avocado. I'm actually just gonna do that. Like that, make that look pretty. And we have some feta cheese.
Yummy.
Yummy. Like I said, you can make this bigger if you want, you know, depending on how many people you got, so. And then I have this, hold on one second. Okay, I have this, sorry I forgot to show you guys how to make it. I kind of pre-made it. I will put the description in this in the description box. It's a lime vinaigrette, so it's just the juice of 1 lime, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon and a half of honey, salt and pepper, and garlic. So, but I'll put that in the description box. And if you want, you can just garnish this with some, I have some mint leaves here, or you can use some fresh basil, whichever you choose, or you can omit it. It doesn't matter, darling.
So colorful.
Yes. So that's it for this video. I hope that was some good ideas for you guys. If not, forget you, but you know, whatever. But anyway.
If it's a white family cookout, this salad will be perfect.
Yes, that's what the salad is perfect for. So, thank you guys for watching. You know I love you as always, and hope you have a happy Memorial Day. Love you guys. Bye.
Well, we did something bad.
All right, there's no B-roll. We ate it all. Have a nice day.